Imagine unlocking the secret code of life itself. A code so complex that even the greatest minds struggled for decades to crack it. And then, boom, AI comes along and solves it almost overnight. This is not science fiction. This is the story of the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. These three legends, David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper, just changed science forever. And today, we're breaking down their mind-blowing discovery that won them the most prestigious prize in chemistry. Buckle up, because this story is wild. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry is like the Oscars of science. Every year, the best of the best get recognized for discoveries that push humanity forward. And this year, we're talking about an AI-driven scientific revolution. But before we dive into the groundbreaking discovery, let's meet the brilliant minds behind it. First up, David Baker. This guy has been playing 4D chess with proteins since the 90s. He's the mastermind behind computational protein design, basically building proteins like Lego to create new medicines and materials. His work at the University of Washington led to major breakthroughs in designing synthetic proteins from scratch. Then we have Demis Hassabis. Ever heard of DeepMind? Yep, the company that made AI beat human champions at Chess Go and even video games. Turns out, he's not just a gaming prodigy, but a hardcore scientist. His passion for AI started as a kid playing chess, and now he's leading the charge in AI-powered biology. And finally, John Jumper. No, he doesn't dunk basketballs. He cracks the secrets of life using artificial intelligence. His work at DeepMind led to something that shook the entire scientific world. He's the lead researcher behind AlphaFold, the AI that cracked one of biology's biggest mysteries. Okay, let's talk about the mind-blowing discovery that won them the Nobel. AlphaFold, an AI that solved the protein folding problem. This isn't just a cool science trick. It's something that scientists have been struggling with for over 50 years. Think of a protein as a tiny molecular machine in your body. To work properly, it needs to fold into the right shape, kind of like how a key needs the right grooves to fit into a lock. Scientists have spent decades trying to predict how proteins fold, but it was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded. And then, AlphaFold came along and solved it in a snap. AlphaFold used deep learning to predict how proteins fold with stunning accuracy. It was like giving AI a complex 3D puzzle, and it figured out the perfect solution in minutes. This is a game changer for chemistry, medicine, and even environmental science. So, why should you care? Because this changes everything. Imagine designing drugs for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer in days instead of years. Imagine engineering enzymes that eat plastic pollution out of our oceans. AlphaFold has already mapped out the structures of nearly every protein known to science. This is like giving humanity the ultimate cheat code for biology. Before AlphaFold, scientists had to conduct slow and expensive experiments to figure out how proteins fold. Now, AI can do it in hours. This means we can design new medicines, create sustainable biofuels, and even develop synthetic life forms faster than ever before. And this is just the beginning. If AI can solve one of biology's greatest mysteries, what's next? Can it design life itself? Could AI help us create synthetic organisms, cure all diseases, or even extend human life? Scientists are now working on AI systems that can generate entirely new proteins never seen in nature. We're entering a new era where AI isn't just assisting scientists, it's becoming a scientist. Think about it. One day we might have AI-created proteins that reverse aging, rebuild damaged tissues, or even help us survive on Mars. This is the future that AlphaFold has unlocked. The future of science is here, and it's powered by AI. But what do you think? Could AI one day design an entirely new form of life? Will this discovery lead to immortality? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you love mind-blowing science, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay curious.